how to clean a throttle body the right way. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that can drastically improve your car's performance: cleaning your throttle body. You've probably heard it can help with rough idling, poor acceleration, and overall engine performance, but what's the right way to clean it? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how. First off, what exactly is a throttle body? It's the component that controls how much air gets into your engine. Over time, dirt and grime build up inside, affecting how well it functions. Step 1. Gather your tools and supplies. Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's talk about the tools and supplies you'll need. Here's what you'll need to get the job done properly. Throttle body cleaner, make sure it's designed for the job. Soft bristle brush. Rags or microfiber towels. Safety gloves. A socket wrench or screwdrivers, for removing the throttle body. A small mirror or flashlight to see inside. Step 2. Locate and remove the throttle body. Alright, the first step is to locate the throttle body. It's usually connected to the intake manifold, right after the air filter. You might need to remove the air intake hose, depending on your car's setup. Once you've removed the intake hose, you should have easy access to the throttle body. If needed, use your socket wrench or screwdrivers to remove any mounting bolts or screws securing the throttle body in place. Step 3. Cleaning the throttle body. Now, it's time to clean. Start by spraying the throttle body cleaner inside the throttle body. Be sure to cover all areas, especially the butterfly valve. You want to get rid of that grime buildup, which can cause your engine to perform poorly. Let the cleaner sit for a minute to loosen up all the gunk, and then grab your soft bristle brush. Use the brush to gently scrub the inside, paying close attention to the edges of the butterfly valve and around the intake ports. Be thorough, but don't force anything. We're not trying to damage any parts, just clean them. After scrubbing, take a clean rag or microfiber towel to wipe away any excess cleaner and dirt. You may need to repeat this process a few times until it's spotless. Step 4. Reassemble and test. Once it's clean, it's time to put everything back together. Reinstall the throttle body, making sure all the bolts are tightened properly. Reattach the intake hose, and don't forget to reconnect any electrical connectors that were attached to the throttle body. Alright, now for the moment of truth. Start up the engine and let it idle for a bit. You might notice a smoother idle and better throttle response. If everything is working well, then congratulations, you just cleaned your throttle body the right way. So there you have it, cleaning your throttle body is a simple but effective way to keep your engine running at its best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.